Have you ever wondered what to do if you get a hiccup that won't stop? Don't panic. Do this simple trick to make it stop almost instantly. Most people think holding their breath and drinking lots of water is the solution, but that's just a myth because they don't know this simple trick. So what should you do instead? I'll show you. But if you think this kitten is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't, I'm sure you will, because people with big heart always care. Drop a heart emoji if you love animals. Now, first, take a deep breath. Then, swallow 3 times in a row while holding that breath. The swallowing resets your diaphragm muscle and works every single time. And remember,